It could literally be a matter of life or death. Your fireplace that's not been inspected or cleaned for years, if it's got serious problems, that fire could spread into your house.
That's right. And as our Pam Zeckman found out, hiring the wrong company could mean you might still be playing with fire. Hi, Pam.
Hi, Robin, Marissa. We checked out some viewer complaints about chimney cleaning operator that constantly changes his company name, has no office, but is quick to respond to calls from people who find him online with some special offers. Before starting to use her fireplace, Patricia Klein asked a chimney cleaner if he could remove baby raccoons on top of the damper in her fireplace.
And they said that they could do it. It'd be an easy shot.
They could just lean in here
right,
and get them out. Reach
correct.
in and get them out.
Correct.
Turns out they couldn't. And you think that's because?
Because they were unprofessional. They don't know what they're doing. They finally put the fireplace on and they killed them.
What, trying to burn them alive?
Yes, exactly. They burnt them. They were crying. It was terrible.
The chimney sweep, Robert Reimer, charged more than $1,000 for the removal and other work that another company said was not done. False charges.
Yes.
Industry experts say you should have your fireplace chimney cleaned and inspected once a year, especially in older homes like this one. Lindemann Chimney Company showed us how a camera is used to check for blockages and other problems, like a crumbling tile liner and gaps that mean a new chimney liner was a must.
If the lining is compromised, it actually can spread from a chimney fire to a structural fire.
That's what this West Chicago couple worried about.
We lit the fireplace downstairs, and the whole house, upstairs and downstairs, filled with a thick smoke.
They found Robert Reimer's company online. Reimer's worker cleaned, patched, and filled in gaps in the chimney, charging them $575.
When we retried the chimneys after they were supposedly cleaned, we had smoke backing up in the house once again.
Photographs later taken by another company documented all the work was not done, like this shot of a gap inside the chimney. So what does that tell you?
It tells me that we got ripped off by the first guy.
The Better Business Bureau's Steve Burness says they fit a pattern of unresolved complaints about Reimer's chimney work.
That it's worse off after they come to their place. Some of the consumers allege bait and switch.
Patricia Klein voided her check to Reimer, but worries about others who might get burned.
And I think that they should be stopped.
Reimer says he knew nothing about complaints against him and defended his work, saying if there are problems, he would fix them. But former customers say he never returned their calls. A word of advice: don't hire a company soliciting door-to-door or offering special deals online without checking them out. And Robin Mercer, we did check with experts who say that there are much more effective and much more humane ways to deal with animals in a chimney than to set them on fire.
Yeah. Well, that's frightening.
Yes, it was.
All right, thank you, Pam.
Thanks.